Today we will do the backward counting. As backward counting we have already done till 30 and I have also today revised in online class. Today with backward counting we will do the backward counting. We will see how we will see with the help of this rocket. As rocket go up, it is forward. It's go forward. Now it is coming down. It is backward. When it's coming down, it is backward. Now, when we will go when we will go up, it is forward. When we will coming down, listen this carefully. When we go up, it is forward. When we will go down, it is backward. So what we will do, we will count the number when we going up this way, forward counting, down we will count the number from back side. Means, for example, I will show you. First you see this is the rocket. It's always go up like this. So this is forward counting when we are doing this. When we are doing this, see this one. Wait. 2. Okay. See this one. These all are going up. 1, 2 will go up. When we will coming down, we will count the numbers from back side. Now 1, 2, 3 will we go up. So we will count this like this. Like this. We will count 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are coming, we have gone up. Now we will come down. When we will come down, we will count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One you see? Just see. So when we are going up, we will counting the numbers forwardly 1, 2, 3, 4. But when these are coming down, all these are coming down, then we are counting the number from back side. See this one. Again you see. Again it is going up. This is 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9, 10. Now we will come down. When we are coming down, to count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, then 1. We came down. Now again we will go up. Again we will go up. How? See? Like this. Then see this one? Now you count 11. 1, 11. Then 12. Then 1, 3, 13. After that 1, 4, 14. We are going up. Counting forward. 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. Then 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. This I count forward. When you are counting this like this is 1, 11. Again you count, you're going up. Count. How you'll count? 11, 1, 11, 12, 13. Then 1, 4, 14, 15, 16, 1, 6, 16, 17, 18, 19, then 20. Oh, we have gone up. Now we are coming down. Count the number from back side. See, the first number is 20. 20, 20. 19. Then it is going to be 18. See, I think so. 18, 17, 16. Then it's going to be 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. We have count till 20. After 20, again we will go up. It's 21, 22, 23, going up. So we are counting the numbers forwardly. 23, after that 24. After 24, the number will be 25. Then 26, 27, 28, 29, then 30, 30. We have gone up. Now we will again come down. Now we will count the number from back. Whatever number we first see, it's 30. So we are coming back from the space. We have gone to space with the help of rocket. Now we are coming back. See, we will count like this: 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Then we came down. After till 30 we have done. After 30, what? It's number when we are counting the numbers. After 30 it's going to be 31. Then 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40, 40. Now from 40 we will count how? Backward, because we had gone up but now we are coming down. 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. Now once again we will go up from 40. We will count the numbers from 40. We go up 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Now we are coming down. So how we will count? We will count 50, 49, then 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. So children, in this rocket, when we are going up, it is forward counting. When we are coming down, it is backward counting. So that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.